Instrument Arrival Basics, Part 2. Today we're looking at the CAMET 3 arrival into OKC. To begin with, we can choose from the rolls and scuff transition. From there, the star will lead us to one of 3 different ending points. To make it easier to follow along, I've color-coded the route description with the actual points. Let's first talk about landing on runway 13. If we were to receive the instruction to descend via the CAMET 3 arrival landing runway 13, what altitude would we descend to? Looking at both the textual and graphical depiction, we can see that Wabot is the final point at 4,000 feet, 210 knots. If we were landing runways 17 left or right, we would end up at Point Flap, 5,000 feet at 210 knots. Finally, if we were landing runway 35 left or right, we would end up at Point Nycom. Nycom is a little different because it doesn't have its own altitude and airspeed restriction. This means we would be constrained by the previous point, Quake, 6,000 feet